Gazetted on March 14, 2025, the Technical and Vocational Education and Training TVET Act of 2025 establishes the institutional framework for coordinating, regulating and promoting TVET in the country through the Uganda Vocational and Technical Assessment Board and the Uganda Health Professions Assessment Board. The law commenced on 15 March 2025 and effectively merged the Uganda Nurses and Midwives Examinations Board and the Uganda Allied Health Examinations Board into a single UPAB.
The TVET Policy 2019 defines the TVET system as consisting of three arms, which are: one, regulation, and that's why we formed the TVET Council; delivery, that is where the department belongs, that is training; and then assessment, that is where our boards belong.
For proper implementation of the law, the Ministry of Education and Sports embarked on the sensitization of different stakeholders, including the proprietors of health training institutions, to avoid confusion. Speaking on behalf of the Ministry's Permanent Secretary, Dr. Jane Gao conveyed the government's commitment to standing with all stakeholders in the implementation of the TVET Act 2025.
The Gazette of the TVET Act was on the 14th of March 2025, and its commencement date was 15th March 2025. This was a huge milestone for the education sector, and as TVET players, we are obligated to align our activities to the provisions of the law.
Dr. Jane explained a few of the challenges facing the law, including limited alignment between the skill supply and the demand as a result of limited instructors in some fields.
Despite these numerous skilling programs to boost youth employment that we have in the country, there is limited alignment between the skill supply and the demand. This is attributed to limited instructors with pedagogical skills and industry experience, limited work-based training that we provide to our learners, and inadequate training infrastructure and facilities where we accommodate this trainer.
Ellen Mukakarisa, the Acting Executive Secretary for the Uganda Health Professions Assessment Board, called for the harmonization of assessment fees and centers, with some centers having more than one codes, as key issues to address the proper implementation of the law. She encouraged the proprietors to help the government in the implementation of the law for the betterment of the education sector.
The board will review and reallocate new assessment centers, assessment center numbers before the conduct of the December 2025 semester examinations. Ladies and gentlemen, it is pertinent that all trainees can easily be identified within the training institution and the communities where they practice.
Brighton Barugahari, the Commissioner of Education, Policy and Research in the Ministry of Education, explained the proprietors the different changes in the new TVET Act, and among these is the assessment with many punishments in place.
I'm saying if we catch any of them cheating, one, they are going to be punished in accordance with the law. Two, if you people who preside over the assessment want to help them because of competition, you want to say, all our people performed very well, and then you say, let's cheat, let's buy the exams. When we catch you, one, you will be in prison. Two, you will pay the fine. Three, your institution will also be punished.
Proprietors raised a number of issues regarding the new TVET law.
A tradition that we have been adding something small to cater for examiners. Because Madam ES, people may not say it, but it's a cost.
I believe in the near future, before the next, we are still in transition, the board will communicate regarding the supervision of continuous assessment.
John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.